indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, technology package, dual sun moonroof, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, child safety locks, power steering, tilt steering wheel, wipers, variable speed intermittent, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.